you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace.
Now the FA Cup is an occasion next best to Christmas Day. Every team that's in the country, they get their chance to play. They all deserve a big thank you, all for taking part. And there's a team who deserve a special mention. Let's all sing from the heart. We're off to Wembley because we beat the Arsenal. We're off to Wembley because we beat the Arsenal.